Hey there, today's recipe is called Sensational Sugar Cookies. The first step is combining butter, powdered sugar, and granulated sugar. And you're going to mix those together really well. And don't worry if you're not getting specific measurements for things. I have the full recipe at the end of the video. Just hit pause on whatever device you're watching from. The next thing you're going to do is add in oil and eggs and mix those in as well. And you'll notice when I'm mixing everything together, I'm taking a pause every now and then to scrape my bowl and make sure that my hand mixer is able to mix everything together evenly. The next thing we're adding in is the vanilla, cream of tartar, baking soda, salt, and then the flour. And we're going to mix that together as well. You kind of know the deal at this point, right? Okay, now for this part, I'm gonna go ahead and explain how to make the cookie before we actually get to that clip of the video. So what you're gonna do is we have to chill this dough for several hours. It says it makes it easier to handle. After you've chilled your dough, we are going to take a cookie scoop. Mine is a 1.5 tablespoon size cookie scoop. And then you're gonna scoop the dough, and then you're gonna take the dough that you scoop out, and you're going to roll it into a ball. Then you're gonna put it on your cookie sheet. You're going to take a flat surface, like for me I took the bottom of a mug. You want to grease it. I used butter, just melted butter. Just grease the bottom of that mug lightly, dip it in sugar, and then press the cookie down flat. And then you're going to bake in the oven at 350 for 12 to 15 minutes. Now the reason I wanted to have that out of the way before we get to the end of the video is so that I have enough time to talk to you a little bit about this recipe and how these cookies turned out. If you're new here, the way my channel works is I find these vintage recipes in old cookbooks that I've collected. And with this one, I really think the process is super easy, but there was something about the taste of these cookies. The thing is that these cookies kind of had an off flavor. Yes, they're very light, they're very crisp, they're very sweet. If these cookies get too brown on the bottom, that's what develops that kind of off flavor. So I would really err on the side of under baking these. But that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like it if you did. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel to see more vintage recipes and hit that notification bell so you're notified when I upload a video. Thank you guys. I'll see you back here next time on Vintage Cookery.